How to make Keto Breakfast Blender Muffins. The ingredients: 8 tablespoon unsalted butter, melted. Half cup unsweetened almond milk. 5 large eggs. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 2/3 cup erythritol. 2 cup almond flour. 1/3 cup coconut flour. 1/4 cup pea protein. 1½ teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 F. 2. In a saucepan, add the unsweetened almond milk and butter. 3. Heat it over medium heat until the butter has just melted. 4. In a blender, add the melted butter and almond milk. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract. Add in all of the dry ingredients: erythritol, almond flour, coconut flour, pea protein, baking powder, and sea salt. 5. Pulse on a low setting, then turn to a medium setting until the batter is smooth. 6. Line a muffin pan with muffin liners. Brush some melted butter on the inside of the liners. 7. Fill the muffin liners with the batter equally. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the toothpick inserted into the muffins comes out clean. 8. Let it cool, then serve, and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 12 servings of Keto Breakfast Blender Muffins. Each serving comes out to be 231 calories, 19.8 grams fat, 2.7 grams net carbs, and 8.9 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, click on the link in the description for more recipes.